Hello, Sis Handmade. Follow me on Instagram. It's really great to be here. Carrie and Kelsey, Darn Good Yarn headquarters. This is a dream come true for me. It's 2020. And, I just want to talk to you a little bit about the inspiration behind the kits that we're going to be doing today and filming today. So the inspiration behind these kits really has to do with the full spectrum of color and what's so amazing about the colors of the rainbow. The chakras are a 5,000-year-old tradition, and it's really interesting that it's scientific, it's spiritual, it helps to connect the mind, body, and spirit. And, if anything is imbalanced, you might just not feel right. Maybe your stomach isn't feeling great. Maybe you're having trouble communicating. There's a lot of different things, and if we really just take the time for self-care and think about each of the chakras and what they represent and really meditate on those things, it really can help to balance your whole well-being, your spirituality, where you see yourself in the future, and also can take away physical pain that you might have. So, these kits are fun to do. It's a self-reflection, but it really can help towards a healing path for you. So that's really exciting. I know it's been for me.
I think, we're definitely really excited to take this spiritual chakra journey with you and learn all about them today.
Awesome. So we're gonna talk about the chakras today. There's 7 main chakras, and they're represented by colors of the rainbow. And so the chakras start at the spine and go all the way up to the crown. And the first chakra that starts at the spine is called the root chakra, and this is red. This is, if you think about connecting to the earth, Mother Nature, it's a stabilizing chakra. It helps bring security, helps you face your fears, overcome your fears, and if it's in any way off balance, it can help. You might not feel like you're fitting in. That it might just be a way for you to feel like you need to focus on your root chakra, where it all starts. So the next chakra is the Sacral Chakra, and it's a yellow color, which is really awesome. And this is essentially your creativity, and it represents the fluids in your body. People connect it to your sexuality. So this is really, if you want to tap into your creative expression, the second chakra, the yellow chakra, the Sacral Chakra, is a really good thing to focus on. And that leads us up to the third chakra, which is the solar plexus. And this is, just a little above your navel. And the solar plexus, it really has to do with your character, your personality, how you exude yourself, how, your willpower. It's how you present yourself into, how people perceive you. And your fourth chakra is your heart chakra. And that's green, which I always think is interesting because you want to think of the heart as red, but it's actually green. And it is just what it sounds like it is. It's really about how you express love, how you receive love. You might be a giver. Maybe you give out, but you don't allow yourself to, feel that same love. So that's something that you can work on. And it's such a powerful chakra that it's definitely something I would consider meditating on, because it can help align all the other chakras within your body as well. So, one thing that I've noticed that I'm going to be focusing on today is the next chakra, the fifth chakra. This is a light blue color, and it's your throat. It's how you communicate. So I'm doing a lot of that today, talking and communicating. And so that's something that I'm certainly going to be focusing on throughout the day here at Darn Good Yarn. So we're going up to the sixth chakra, which is also, I think, my favorite chakra, and that's the third eye chakra. This is your intuition. And if you tap into this, you really can trust your instincts, how you want to move forward. It's a really powerful chakra, in my opinion. Finally, the seventh chakra, your crown. This is where you can connect to the divine, where mysticism can happen. As I learn more of these, I certainly want to tap into that a little bit more, being able to really connect with a higher being. And so those are the 7 chakras.